And is that blood or is that rust?
Well, hello.
Hello!
So I have in my possession 2 big boxes. What is in the boxes, you might ask? Well, I have no idea. Because you see, we are doing another mystery box. So this is a bit different than the video that I did last week with Stephanie. These 2 boxes were in fact sent to me by a lovely subscriber named Alice. Alice approached me and was like, hey, I have a crap ton of vintage that I'm trying to clean out because I helped clean out my local historical society because we got a lot of stuff that didn't fit into our collections and I need to get it out pronto. After reading her letter, I also wanted to note that she mentioned that there was a concerted effort to return these pieces back to the original donors when they were cleaning these pieces out, but they either declined or the donors had already passed away and their families declined also. She was a volunteer at this historical society and she had made a donation herself, so she did not acquire these pieces without helping the historical society that she got them from. She also wanted me to note that if any of you have any extra time on your hands and you have a local historical society, she can almost guarantee that they are in need of volunteers. So she offered to send it to me as long as I pay for shipping, and I was like, heck yeah. I think I'm gonna start with this one on top. I can't remember if she told me to start with a specific box or not. I'm gonna disregard all instructions like I usually do, and I'm gonna start with this one. And also, I need this guy to open the box, so yoink. Also, you like that I'm professional now? I have a new microphone, and yes, I made sure it's actually working this time. I have to hold the dog back. I couldn't live with myself if you got hurt. And if I got hurt, it's my own damn fault. This is not a very good box opener. Okay, you know what? There we go. So she said though that she did, Poppy, organize it in these mailers. So we will start with this one. And there is a card. Oh, it's fairies. I'm obsessed with the fact that she used Amy Brown stationery. Ooh, okay, so first off the top, we have a shirt. This looks like a 70s, well, it's not 70s, this is Club Room, but this does look like a men's shirt, which is really cool. Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot to let you guys know how this works. So basically, mostly what's in here is women's. However, I did tell her to go ahead and send me a mix of stuff. So there will be men's, women's, and kids, and some accessories as well. Because yes, I would like to have some clothes for myself, but mostly I'm looking to possibly do some more whatnot shows, and she did give me full permission to resell anything. She just wanted to get rid of stuff. So I might be using some of these for whatnot shows. I might use some of these for future like lookbooks if it works with the styles that I'm looking for. Like I want to style my husband and also do some like androgynous, more masculine looks when I'm doing my different lookbooks, just for options for you guys. But also when I'm doing whatnot shows, I'd like to have some more masculine options. So that's why I told her it's a-okay to send men's stuff, even though most of my audience is female. So just so you know. And then kids stuff, if there's anything I want to save for future, you know. But yeah, this is such a cool shirt. I love the colors and I love the paisley. I'm not usually a paisley person, but if I'm gonna go for paisley, it's gonna be a dark paisley. And I love the navy blue as well as, I don't know if that's technically a purple. It kind of looks purple, like a periwinkle on top. Love it. This is like men's Whimsigoth right here, because Whimsigoth can skew a little 70s. And then next, looks like we have something knit on top. It's very heavy. What are you? Okay, so this is like a sweater situation. So I can show you guys, give you guys a better look. This is really cool, and it's very heavy, very high quality, and then it has all these buttons going down, and then it looks like it has some sort of a belt. And then, oh, is there a matching? Is there a matcher? Is this a skirt? Oh yeah, no, there's a matching skirt. I don't think this will fit me. This looks kind of small, but as I said, I'm totally okay with things not fitting because I will be doing some like whatnot shows and stuff. Ooh, we've got some brown hobbity pants, and these definitely look vintage based on the construction, and these might be men's because I guess it could go either way, but these are really cool. So some pants. All right, we're getting into the next bag. Ooh, I see some bright red. Ooh, pop. Let's do the black first. That's on top. Ooh, this is kind of cool. What is this? This is very vintage. So this is some sort of a knit skirt. Ooh, she is a A-line pleated skirt. Very small. The waist seems pretty small, but very thick. Definitely something that I would probably pop up in the show. I might save that for winter, fall. I don't think anyone's really gonna buy that when it's springy outside. Is this a matching top? It's a matching top. This is gorgeous. God, I hope this fits me, but probably not. Okay, so I want to say this is 50s or 60s. I'm not an expert. I know someone's going to educate me in the comments, but the tag looks really old. Based on the style of zipper, wait, where are you? Based on the style of zipper, I feel like this is 50s or 60s, but I just honestly fly by the seat of my pants when it comes to this stuff. I'm not a vintage person. What is this, a slip? Yes, this is a slip dress. She is very vintage. It looks handmade, unless I can find a tag. This might actually go to this set because without it, it might be a bit scratchy, but I could be wrong. And then there is a fluorescent, you guys cannot even tell how bright red this is on the camera, but this is super bright red. This one is Kathy Daniels, size medium. This actually might be a size medium. This is, because you know, sometimes vintage sizes, they say they're a medium and then they fit an extra small. I just sounded like the Grinch. But yeah, that is very, very bright red. Do you want out, little girl? This is what happens when you film with animals in the room. Okay, we got one last baggie to go in this box. Ooh, something light and slinky. This is a slip. Now, she did send me some items that might need some mending, and I'm already seeing one little spot. Where did you go? Oh, wait, I just had it. It's right here. Just needs a little fix, but it's fine. It is very pretty, very light and airy. I feel like this could be worn in a way where it's peeking out underneath another skirt because this is just so gorgeous. It's too sheer to be on its own unless you put another slip underneath, but if you layer it with a shorter skirt, I think that would be really pretty. Ooh, I've had tops like this specific material. This is a cardigan. I'm gonna guess 80s or 90s, could be even older. Again, I don't know things. I don't know if there's a fabric composition on here. I'm not one of those people that can just touch fabric and tell you what it is. I've touched stuff and been like, that's cotton. And then, no, it wasn't cotton at all. I'm just gonna dump this. Oh my God. This is so cute. It's a little baby dress. This is so precious. It's very delicate. I wonder how sturdy this is. This is very precious. This is very precious. I will set this aside because most of the stuff I've set aside is all girl stuff, even though statistically I got a 50-50 shot and my mom wanted a girl and she got 2 boys first till she got me. And then we have another slip. It's looking very white or at least very light on camera, but this is like a buttercup yellow. This is 100% Antron. And I'm not knowledgeable on stuff, so I don't know what that is. I know I can just Google it. Another light, ooh, is this a dress? An apron? What are you? Oh, okay, so this is a dress, a shirt dress. This might be pajamas, I don't know. It kind of looks pajama-y, but it feels cotton. I'm probably not wrong on that one. Again, she needs some mending, but I did say that I don't mind. And is that blood or is that rust? We don't know. We are going to move on from that. You never know with historical garments, honestly. Ooh, is this velvet? What are you? What are you? And those gloves, oh, that's what I saw. I saw some velvet in their gloves. Now, let's see if these fit, because vintage gloves never fit me. Apparently, I have ginormous hands. Oh, that's already ripped. Oops. Yeah, she's gotten a little damaged with the time. It doesn't, okay, it kind of fits, but it kind of doesn't. Probably shouldn't have stuck my hand in this. I have no idea where this has been. No, don't stick your hand in it, Scotty. We have, is this a glove? Again, sticking your hand in things, it's okay. Is it like this? You know what? Don't question it. But the garment that we were looking at, and then we got so rudely distracted. How dare you, ADHD? I can't see. Yes, we have this. So that is the first box. Let us go to the next one. I'm just going to gingerly shove all of these in here so we can make some room for the next box. I think my favorite thing in this box was this men's shirt and the little girl's dress, and maybe the slips too. All right, next we have this box, which you can't see because it's out of frame, but it's fine, because I will be pulling things out for you to see, and I'm not adjusting the camera to do like a fun little camera angle, ASMR, what have you. There's some days where I put forth effort on my channel, and there's some days I'm like, I'm phoning it in. All right, so we have quite a few bags in here. Sheesh. Okay, so first one. Ooh, I see green velvet. Excuse me? Oh, it's a dress. This is definitely not gonna fit me. This looks like a teen girl dress. Zipper tells me she's pretty old. Tag tells me she's pretty old. The zipper does not like me, so I'm not gonna even try to zip that up. Ooh, some of these feel very delicate. We have this satiny dress. We have little baby clothes. This has a big old collar. Hear me try to look. Oh, so cute. Are these little, oh, I thought it was baby bloomers. I love baby bloomers, they're so cute. And then we have a little blouse. Ooh, I'll show you guys this in a second. There's some jewelry in here. And then we have a dress. I think some of these might be christening dresses, but I'm not super duper familiar with that branch of Christianity, so I have no idea. It's just a white dress to me. This might have something to do with that too, but it's just a little shawl. Oh, look, it's a little vest. I don't know what those symbols mean. Please tell me, someone tell me. They look Greek. What are you? That might yeah, this might all have to do with like religious christening. I have no idea. I am sorry. A little bag, is this a bag? It's a little bag. We have more gloves. This yellow one, this is tiny. This is definitely a kid's. Have this off yellow. And then we have these black ones. Oh, this is just the match. Other little black ones. And this looks like a scarf. Oh, looks like spats. I don't know what these are. I think they're wrist things, matching. And something belt, maybe? One down, a few more to go. I think there's like 3 more. Dude, this bag keeps coming back for more. Is there something hiding in here? No, okay. Thought it was trying to tell me something. Ooh, I see some velvet. Wait. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I'll get the velvet next because it did not want to come out. Okay, so first we have this pleated skirt. Looks very swooshy and it looks pretty old too. Next, I'll grab this little guy. Is this a dress? How many times have I said that? Is this a dress? Yeah, it's a little shirt dress and it's tiny, very, very tiny, pretty old. And now I can get to the velvet. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm like blocking my light and I can't see anything. So yeah, it's just this velvety jacket. This looks handmade, except there's a tag, but original design, US Patent Office, or at least it was mended. Certain parts of it look like it was hand stitched, whip stitched. And then there's a skirt. This, I'm not even gonna say if I think it's gonna fit me. I'm almost afraid to put this on because it looks like it's been like mended and stitched over and over again by someone's hands. So this was definitely a well-loved garment and I don't want to break anything. Are you a dress? Yes, you are a dress. Oh wow, this is the front, I think. Is that where the pleats are? It looks black, but it also looks brown. Color grading will let us know what this skews on camera, but it's pretty heavy fabric and it kind of feels like liquid fabric a little bit. Oh, I forgot, in that bag, I think it was the first bag, there are these, what are these? Let me take them out of the bag. At least I think they're shoe clips. They look, no, it's a belt, wait, no, I'm dumb. Oh, and I already broke it. One of the beads came off. This is very fragile, okay, but I'm gonna put this over here just to be careful. Okay, I'm just gonna dump this out real quick. All right, starting from the top. We have a little top. I do see some holes, possibly from moths, but again, these come from a historical society, so they are historical. I feel like I had a skirt exactly like this at one point. Anime. There is this little bolero. Oh, this is all one piece. Is it? Wait, no. Yes. No. Yes. It's got some, I was gonna say dragons, but that doesn't look like, looks like lions. And then actually this side, they're beaded. Okay, so then we have another black item. This looks like a slip. Like a maxi slip. And then Bayer, California. This is another like wool like pencil skirt. Oh, she's got buttons on the front. I totally didn't see that. But again, I was looking at the back. Very cute. Very nice for like autumn, winter. There is one button missing, unfortunately, but like a black button at the top. That's fine. And then we have another wool-like skirt. This one is Cathel. I just saw this and it said hell. And I'm like, that's so funny. It looks like a Canadian brand. At least there's a Canadian flag on it. Made on Prince Edward Island, Canada. I was correct. I believe this is the back. So this is the front. That is very cute. Back when I wore pencil skirts, that would have been my jam. And then we have one last bag, guys. One more. Oh, is this dead stock? It is. This is a top, I believe. Might be a women's, might be men's. I'm not gonna unfold it just yet, but this is a small yeah, probably men's because it has the neck size on. And then we have another, these look 70s possibly. Another button down shirt. Very cute. And then this is the last, is this the last piece? Yes, this is the last piece. I don't think I missed anything. This is it looks like a flowy dress. Ooh, this is very soft. A flowy shirt dress. Very nice. It's got some pleating or gathering at the shoulders. Paper tag, Cocoa of California. 50% polyester, 50% cotton. Even though there's some polyester in it, it feels very breezy, very nice for a summer's day. Drinking some lemonade out on the porch, if I had a porch. And I missed a piece. There was a little baggie. I knew I was missing something. I have no idea. It was just down there.
Light and slinky.
But there's this. So yeah, that is the video. Let me know if you guys like this style of video and I can plan on doing some more. I've actually been really interested in doing the vintage by the pound and also maybe purchasing some mystery boxes off of Depop. So if you like mystery box unboxings and me going through vintage stuff, yeah, pop a comment down below. Let me know if you like this. I know you guys really liked my video with Stephanie, although it wasn't just the unboxing part, it was also the shopping. So maybe you enjoyed that. So just give me some feedback down below if you would like. And of course, if you would like to shop my finds, whether it's my thrift finds, my unboxing finds, or shop my closet, I do have some whatnot shows scheduled. So I will link that down below. But if not, I will also link to my Depop, my Poshmark, my Mercari, pretty much all the places that I might list stuff because I haven't quite figured out what is the best place because each place keeps changing their fee structures, which is stupid. And also let me know what your favorite piece was from this little haul, this little unboxing. And also I neglected to thank my patrons and my members in last week's video. I am so sorry. I was so scatterbrained coming back from my trip and trying to get that video concluded and finished. But I'm so happy with the response that we got from that video. So a double thank you to my patrons and my members, but also thank you to you guys for liking, subscribing, commenting, and all that stuff. I really appreciate you. If you would like to join my Patreon or my channel memberships, links are down below, but there's no pressure. Honestly, I just appreciate you guys being here, watching and interacting. You guys make this all possible. And also big shout out to Alice. Thank you so much for sending me, thank you for sending me this fun box. This was such a cool idea and I'm really excited to see how this video comes out because I'm still recording it, so I have no idea if it's a good video, if it's a banger or not. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I love you so much and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.